In today's video, I will walk you through how to change chart timeframes on Bitfinex. Changing the chart timeframe on Bitfinex allows you to view price movements over different periods, helping you analyze the market from both short-term and long-term perspectives. To begin, access the Bitfinex trading interface and open the trading pair you want to analyze. Once the market loads, you'll see the price chart displayed on the screen. At the top or around the chart area, locate the timeframe selector. This menu displays the available time intervals that determine how much price data each candlestick or chart bar represents. Select the timeframe selector to view the available options. Choose the timeframe that best matches your trading or investing strategy. For example, shorter timeframes can be useful for monitoring quick market movements, while longer timeframes provide a broader view of overall price trends. As soon as you select a new timeframe, the chart will automatically refresh to display the updated market data. Notice how the candlesticks adjust to represent the new time interval while still showing the same trading pair. Feel free to switch between different timeframes to compare how the market looks over various periods. Looking at multiple timeframes can help you identify short-term price movements while also keeping track of the larger market trend. Take a few moments to explore several timeframes before making trading decisions. And that's how to change chart timeframes on Bitfinex.